Hey, Big Red here. Hey, got a new little tool I want to show you here. This is a Milwaukee infrared contact temperature gun. It's a 30-to-1 ratio. And I've been playing with this thing for about the last 2 weeks or so. And I want to show you some of the features it has on it and show you what it can do. And first thing you notice about this tool is that it has the 30-to-1 ratio. And most other tools in this category, are 10-to-1 or 12-to-1. And the higher that ratio is, the more accurate the readings are at a distance. And for instance, at 30 feet, this one will measure a 1 foot diameter circle. And if you try doing going 30 feet with a one that's rated at 1 to 10, you're going to get a distorted temperature reading from that. So anyway, that's the main difference. Also, the features on this one are quite significant over the competitors. I'd like to show you some of the features here. First thing you notice that it's got different modes you can set, and it's got an emissivity. You can manually set the emissivity, and what that is, that's a heat transfer term. That's a coefficient. It's related to the heat absorption of a particular material. For instance, a black material has emissivity of 1. So anyway, you can alter that emissivity, depending on what type of surfaces you're wanting to measure. So anyway, you can also set the parameters on the range of your temperature, and set an alarm for that as well. Say if you're wanting to measure an area, and you want to set like a 10-degree difference in temperature, you can set the low for say 60 and the high for 70, and any of your measurements, if it goes out of that boundary, you can set an alarm that'll go off when it goes above or below that reading. So that's kind of an interesting feature. And also, you can log your temperatures. It's got a log system where you can, if you have some important readings that you want to store in the computer there, you can log those on there. So it's got a very, very intuitive to change all your settings and everything, and nice, good size of numbers to read. So anyway, it's very accurate too. So if you're interested in buying one of these little temperature guns, check out this Milwaukee 30-to-1 infrared temperature gun. I think you'll like it. Bye-bye.